The original Glock 19X 9mm, not to be confused with the 19XV. This originally came out in January of 2018, and the optic variant came out in January of 2024. 9mm semi-automatic crossover pistol, combining the full size of the Glock 17 frame and the compact Glock 19 slide with the Coyote finish. Now, my Glock 19X came with the TLR-7 Streamlight, 3 17-round standard capacity magazines, a gun lock, a cleaning tool for the pistol, magazine loader, and modular back straps. What a sweet package. Now here are the main components when the pistol is broken down. The barrel length is 4 inches, the overall length is 7 inches, and the unloaded weight is almost 25 ounces. I admit the grouping could be tighter, but that's not bad shooting.